Hey guys, if you get a gap, just go for it.
You guys ready? So, special day today. We're at the Penguin Ride. Christmas for CDSR. I couldn't sleep all night thinking about this guy taking a piss already. There's so many. I've seen more dudes taking a piss already at the beginning of High Mountain Road than I think I have in my entire life, all put together. There's more bikes this year, I think, than there were last year. Dude, going through town, we had to have been in a pack of like at least 100. How cool was that? That was pretty cool. Oh, hey, can you scale up that rock wall on the KLR? Yeah, man, Charles KLR. Look at this guy next to you. Is he Ricky Racer? Oh, that's awesome! The freaking 60s Yamaha just took me. That's so dope. If you ain't first, you're last. Get on out there, Ricky Bobby. Shake and bake. Oh! Oh! How is it that I wear all this armor and the fucking rock hits me in the neck? Right in the neck. Oh, Matador's in race mode! Taking the lead. Oh my God! You see everybody behind us like, I don't know, man. I don't know. That looks sketchy. That looks like the hard route. There's no sign. You can't go down on the high mountain part. You just fucking can't. Shut up, dude. Don't say that because I'm going to end up eating it after you say that. Are you trying to pass me right now? No. I was trying to pass you. I'd have done past you. Oh, shit. I cannot see. Getting roosted and smoke screen. Oh, we got riders down. Casualty. What? Oh! Kevin should have brought the GS. We've got a good group today. We've got everyone almost, right? Yep. We've got the pro leading the way. We've got Scarface on the intercom up here taking what, second right now? Yep. The Law right behind you. We've got Matador right behind the Law. I'm in the tail section catching rocks just like always. El Jefe. Coming up to inspection. Oh, okay. Hopefully I make it through, man. Like, where are you visiting from? Nebraska, man. Hey, Ross. Oh, shit. Can I borrow your spark arrestor? If you're not using it. Oh, sorry. Thank you, miss. How are you, ma'am? Oh, good. Shields down. It's gonna get fucking dirty. I'm fucking going. You guys ready? Woo-hoo! It's like a roller coaster. What's the stop line? Oh shit. A little lead action there. Oh, that one hurt. Oh man, you alright? Yeah, hit my head a little bit. Got it? Yep. KLR, hard route, Penguin Ride. Alright guys, go on. You gonna give it a shot? That's alright. Are you sure? If you go, I'll go again. There you go. What? Better this time around. Go that way. Yeah, there you go. Oh man, gnarly master link issues. Yeah, the Pro's almost got his master link back together, huh?